ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 156. So what was that earlier on page number 154? Some tippani correction I have to do. (154) tippani number 12 is 553, not 572. But I have not checked. 553. But you note down. Page number 154. Okay. So let's go on page 156 now. Prajapati, he became Prajapati because of Purva Janma Jnana Karma Bhavana Anusthana. By that, he burnt all his papa. Even if now anybody who wants to excel in any field, what they have to do? They have to burn their papa. If I reduce my papa, I will excel. If I do some such things by which I may seem that I have succeeded, but I have created some papa, I will fall down. Tika, third line. Ko asau oshati iti apekshayam ityaha. So, apekshayam aha. So that oshati atascha is there. Adajanidinam, I was told, ang upasarga is also enough. And then atascha will be there. Yesterday I mentioned that. Oshati shabda is not needed. Ko asau
Guna will happen.
Guna will happen through guna.
No vriddhi.
Ko asau oshati iti apekshayam aha. In bhashya tan darshayati. So tam darshayati ya evam veda iti samarthyat jnana bhavana prakarshavaन. Tam darshayati means the mantra is showing now. Who is going to burn? Ya evam veda iti means the one who does upasana in this way. Iti samarthyat jnana bhavana prakarshavan, the one who has jnana bhavana prakarsha. Prakarshavan, matu pratyay is there, madupadhayascha mator vo yava dipya. By that, ma will become va. Mato ho vo. मादुपधायाश्च मतो वो यवादिभ्यः। टीका पुरुष गुणः प्रजापति ही अहमस्मि इति यो विद्यात् सो अन्यान् ओषति इत्यर्थः। पुरुष पुरुष शब्द वी ऑलरेडी सॉ पूर्वं ओषति तस्मात् पुरुषः the one who burns first, burns his own papa, and therefore his chintanam was prajapatihi aham asmi iti yo vidyat so anyan oshati ityarthah. 5 number tippani you can see, and it is a big tippani. Nanu वागादौ धेन्वादि धीवत पुरुष गुणे विराजी धीर नहीं तेन ध्यातुः तादात्म्यम अन्यस्य अन्यत्वा योगात् इति चेत् वागादौ धेन्वादिवत. This is the prasiddha drishtanta. This will come in Bradaranyaka later. In Vag Adi, you do Dhenu Buddhi. Like that, Dhenwadi Dhivat, Purusha Gune Viraji Dhihi. In this Purusha Guna means that who is able to burn the others. In that Hiranyagarbha Buddhi, Nahi Tena Dhyatuhu Tadatmyam. By that, Dhyata, he will not have tadatmya and he will not be able to think of Virat. Why? Anyasya anyatva yogat iti chet. Because Dhyata is Anya, he is not Prajapati. How can he meditate on Prajapati and become Prajapati? So this Nanu, this sentence is Anand Giriji's statement. Because Anand Giriji has written Tika on Vartika. So the next line is the Vartika quotation. पुरुषोऽस्मित्युपास्त्यर्थं पुरुषार्थो यमुच्यते ओषतीत्युक्तितः साक्षात् गुणोपास्ति फलश्रवणात्. गुणोपास्ति फलश्रवणात् is extra word. ओषतीत्युक्तितः साक्षात् गुणोपास्ति फलश्रवणात् will become 9. But let us continue now. पुरुषो अस्मि इति उपास्त्यर्थम पुरुषार्थो अयम उच्यते. Purushasya artha. What is the Purusho Asmi? Means I am that Hiranyagarbha who burns his sins first. Oshati iti uktitaha sakshat. Because of this ukti, Oshati, and Gunopasti phala is also there. Gunopasti phalam Shravanat means anybody who does any chintanam of any guna and through that upasana happens, that chintanam is there, then the phalam of that is that guna will come in you. Good or bad, anybody's. Let's say I am constantly thinking this way, this person is like this person is negative, constant chintana. You know what happens there. You will get that. Slowly you will, like let's say somebody is saying something erroneously, right? And you go on listening to it, then you will also practice erroneous things only. It is just like that. Now on that Kvartika, there is a Tika. Purusha Gune Virajya Ahangraho Pastihi इष्टा इति अत्र पुरुषनिरुक्तिं प्रमाणयति। पुरुषगुणे विराजी, विराजी 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 he is saying means in Virat, in Viraj. पुरुषगुणे विराजी अहंग्रहोपासना, this अहंग्रहोपासना is इष्टा इति अत्र पुरुष निरुक्तिं प्रमाणयति. So now the Purusha etymology is the pramanam in that. Iti upastyartham iti. You see now, iti upastyartham iti. Upastyartham shabda is there in the Vartika. फलांतर अदृष्टे ध्यानार्थ पुरुष नाम निर्वचने अपि कथं तद्गुणे विराजी अहंग्रहोपास्ति इति आशंक्य आह. ओषति इति. Oshati is the pratika which is there in the Vartika. See, phalantar adrishte. For such upasana, any other phalam is not given. Let he will attain swarga, he will attain pashu, etc. This is the phalam. Whatever chintanam you do, that you will get. This is the phalam. So phalantar adrishte dhyanartha purusha nama nirvachane api. And for this dhyanam itself, this purusha nama nirvachanam is done. Katham tadgune viraji ahangrahopasti. How in that virat this ahangrahopasana is done? Iti ashankya aha. Oshati iti. Sakshat sutra bhavasya purusha guna virad upasti phalasya yathokta vakyatah shrutehe tatkratu nyayena विराजी अहंग्रहोपास्ति सिद्धि इत्यर्थः. साक्षात सूत्र भावस्य. नाउ यू सी हियर सूत्र शब्द इज यूज्ड. सूत्र मीन्स हिरण्यगर्भ. साक्षात सूत्र भावस्य पुरुष गुण विराट उपास्ति फलस्य. पुरुष गुण इज दिस विराट, दैट इज व्हिच इज द उपासना फलम. उपास्ति फलस्य यथोक्त वाक्यतः श्रुतेः तत्क्रतु न्यायेन. तत्क्रतु न्याय इज whatever sankalpa whatever sankalpa is done. Now the exact mantra is not coming. It's either in Chandogya or mostly. Okay, if you wait for a minute, then I can check and let you know. This tat kratu nyaya is whatever sankalpa is done. Kratu means sankalpa. Whatever sankalpa is done, that is what is attained. अथ खलु क्रतुमयः पुरुषो यथा क्रतुः अस्मिन् लोके पुरुषो भवति तथा इतः प्रेत्य भवति स क्रतुं कुर्वीत इति छान्दोग्य श्रुतिः. दिस इज द तत्क्रतु न्याय. अथ खलु क्रतुमयः पुरुषः. Kratumaya Purusha means when a sankalpa is done, then that Purusha is now thinking that, see, whenever you do any sankalpa at puja time, etc., also means you have been entertaining this for some time, that I want to do this, I want to do this, I want to do this. So he is Kratumaya Purusha. Yatha Kratuhu Asmin Loke Purusho Bhavati. Asmin Loke Purusho Kratuhu. So then with that sankalpa, he will say, I will do this, whatever karma that is there, or chintana. Tatha itaha pretya bhavati. Then hereafter also he will get that only, he will become that. Itaha pretya tadeva bhavati. Saha kratum kurvita iti chandogya shruti. This is the chandogya shruti. And therefore, tathacha asmin loke yat kratur bhavati paraloke tadeva prapnoti. So hereafter he will get that. And in Bhagavad Gita, yam yam vapi smaran bhavam yajatyante kalevaram
तं तमेवैति कौन्तेय
sada tad bhava bhavita. So he will get, sada he is tad bhava bhavita. So he will get that. This is tat kratu nyaya. So shrutehe tat kratu nyayana viraji ahangroho pasti siddhi. 5 number tippani prajapati hi aham asmi iti yo vidya. So that aham prajapati asmi, this kind of chintanam, whatever is given there, how is it justified? Purva Pakshi is asking that question. That first question is, Vyashti person, if he does chintanam on samashti, how is it possible and how he will get that phalam? So it is said he will get that phalam. So anyan oshati. Vidya samaye katham esha vyavastha iti ashankya. Now back to tika. Vidya samaye katham esha vyavastha iti ashankya samarthyat. Samarthya means mantra samarthya. हेतु साम्ये दाहकत्व अनुपपत्तेः तत्प्रकर्षवान् इतरान् दहति इत्यर्थः. हेतु साम्य is there. So दाहकत्व अनुपपत्तेः तत्प्रकर्षवान् इतरान् दहति. The one who has this prakarsha, jnana bhavana prakarsha, that is what is given in Bhashya. Jnana bhavana prakarshavan itaran dahati, he will burn the others. So now somebody is asking a question. Prasiddham daham adaya chodayati. He says, oh, he will burn everybody. Yes. Nanu anarthaya prajapatya pratipatti pratipitsa evam vida chet dahyate. This attainment of prajapatya is anarthaya. Because of me, if somebody has to go through suffering, it is not worth attaining it. Good sadhaka is thinking like that. If I attain something which will give sorrow or gives burning, etc. to others, anarthaya prajapatya pratipitsa evam vida chet dahyate. If the burning is in this way, naisha doshaha. Tika. तथा च तत्प्रेप्सा अयोगात् तद उपास्ति असिद्धि इत्यर्थः. Then such prepsa itself is inappropriate. That desire to become Prajapati is a wrong desire if there is some such burning involved, and therefore tad upasti asiddha. But upasana is asiddha upasana, means it is not right. Vivakshitam daham. So then Acharya says, what I mean by daha and what you are understanding by daha are two different. Vivakshitam daham darshayan uttaram aha. Vivaksha is in ज्ञान भावात् प्रथम प्रजापतित्व प्रतिपत्ति भावम प्रतिपत्ति अभावम अभाव मात्रत्व दाहस्य प्रतिपत्ति अभाव मात्रत्व मात्रत्वात् दाहस्य मात्रत्वात् दाहस्य. So what is burning? Burning is that they did not get Prajapati Padam. That's all. You are not doing anything and nothing you can do. You are just doing your upasana. They, because they either did not put forth enough effort or final decision is by Paramatma. So according to Paramatma, they are not the right adhikari or they started late, whatever. So that is where they are. You are not responsible just because they did not attain something. You are responsible only for your sadhana. You do that. So jnana bhavana utkarsha abhavad. In them jnana bhavana utkarsha was not there. Therefore, they did not get the first prajapatitvam. Prathamam prajapatitva pratipatti abhava matratvat dahyasya. Dahasya. But this is not the case when you attain Brahma. How many people can become Brahma at the same time? Everybody. So there it is not limited that only one position is there and so many people are applying and first come, first serve basis. Nothing. Brahma is most accommodative. And therefore that person who is a jnani, Tairayam na viruddhyate. He will have no virodha with anybody. Yes, you are right, that is right, everything is right, chalo. Everything is right means you are in your position wherever you are, you keep working, finally you will know what is the reality. So he is not in any competition. And that is why sannyasi should be abhaya. He does not give bhayam, he does not have bhayam. This is the nature of sannyasa. तदेव स्पष्टयति. उत्कृष्ट साधनः प्रथमं प्रजापतित्वं प्राप्नुवन् न्यून साधनो न प्राप्नोति इति सः तन्दहति इत्युच्यते. न पुनः प्रत्यक्षम् उत्कृष्ट साधनेन इतरो दह्यते. उत्कृष्ट साधनः, who is this person or what is उत्कृष्ट साधनः? What is the vigraha? Can you hear what my question is?
Yes, Swamiji.
उत्कृष्टम साधनम यस्य सह उत्कृष्ट साधनः. Sadhanam is Napunsakalinga, but it has become Pullinga. Utkrishta sadhana. Why? Because Bahuvrihi Samasa is Anyapada Pradhana. So here Anyapada is Sadhaka, Prajapati. So the one who has Utkrishta Sadhanam is called उत्कृष्ट साधनः and न्यून साधनः same, that is also bahuvrihi samas. Nyunam sadhanam, nyunam means something less, something short. In sports etc also, what is a good sportsmanship? The winning team is congratulated by losing team, and they accept that yes, you were good at, then you were better than us, you did good, today was not our right day, whatever. Means there should not be such thing that we are going to take revenge and this. There is no such thing. You are good, therefore you succeeded and you are the right person. That should be the attitude. You are utkrishta sadhana. Vayam tu nyuna sadhana. If you say bahuvachanam. Prajapatitvam prapnuvan nyuna sadhano na prapnoti. Sa tam dahati iti uchyate. Saha tam dahati. Saha means tam
उत्कृष्ट न्यून साधन
न्यून साधनम. सहता होते तम एक वचन. न्यून साधनम उत्कृष्ट साधनः न्यून साधनम दहति इति उच्यते. न पुनः प्रत्यक्षम उत्कृष्ट साधनेन इतरो दह्यते. Not that literally pratyaksham, that person gets turns into flames, etc. That doesn't happen. Tika. Prapnuvan bhavati iti sheshah. Prathamam prajapatitvam prapnuvan bhavati. In this way, iti sheshah. Aupacharikam daham drishtantena sadhayati. Aupacharika dahatvam is given through drishtanta. यथा इति. यथा लोके आजिश्रितां यः प्रथमं आजिम उपसर्पति तेन इतरे दग्धा इव अपहृत सामर्थ्या भवन्ति तद्वत्. भाष्यकार gives लौकिक दृष्टांत also. यथा लोके, just as in the world, आजिश्रितां, आजिश्रितां टीका, आजिर मर्यादा तां सरन्ति. Aji means, Aji means the finish line. The 6th number tippani है बालादिभिः क्रीडा विशेषे कृता सीमा. How children, they say this is the line. Whoever reaches there first. Ajihi maryada tam saranti dhavanti iti ajisritaha. Ajisritaha, what is the pratipadika? Online, what is the pratipadika for ajisritaha? Okay. Tell.
Ajisru Swamiji.
Ajisrit, correct. What prayoga is this? Ajisritah?
Nishtha Pratyaya.
No, this is not Nishtha. Ajisrit is the pratipadika. This is Dvitiya Bahuvachanam. See, you see the etymology. Ajihi means Maryada. Tang saranti dhavanti iti ajisritaha. Saranti dhavanti is Bahuvachanam. So ajisritaha will be Bahuvachana Shabda. So Dvitiya Bahuvachanam is ajisritaha. Tesham ajisritam. Where is the ajisritam Shabda? In Bhashya. Yatha loke ajisritam. Is it clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
how you have to put the shabdas. Ajisritam. Ajisrit is Pratipadika. Prathama ekvachana Ajisrit.
It's like competing with each other in Loki.
Ajisritaha. Tesham.
People compete with each other.
Huh?
People compete.
Srit, sritau, sritaha. Sritam, sritau, sritaha. But this is Dvitiya. यह प्रथमम आजिम उपसर्पति तेन इतरे दग्धा इव अपहृत सामर्थ्या भवन्ति तत्वत्. The one who reaches first, by that others are as if burnt. Burnt means apahrita samarthya. They become dull. Their samarthya is as if taken away. In this way, first mantra is complete. Jnana karma phalam sautram padam utkrishtvatvat muktihi tad anya mukti abhavat. Somebody says jnana karma phalam is sautram padam. I did so much upasana, so much karma. Sautram padam. Sautram padam. Sutrasya idam sautram. Hiranyagarbha padam. This is utkrishta. Utkrishtatvat. That itself is mukti. Tad anya mukti abhavat. What other mukti? This is the liberation. Become Hiranyagarbha or Prajapati Virat. Mukti abhavat. Tad hetu सम्यक धी सिद्धये प्रवृत्ति अनर्थिका. तद हेतु सम्यक धी सिद्धये. तद हेतु मीन्स कस्य है. तद मीन्स व्हाट इज तद. What is that, online students?
Mukti abhavat. Mukti abhavah.
Not abhava. Anya mukti. That means anya mukti. Anya mukti hetu. Anya mukti is which? What is anya mukti? Purva Pakshi says Hiranyagarbha is mukti. Tad anya mukti. So different from that. What will be different from that? What is the paramarthik mukti? What we say is attained through jnanam. That anya mukti hetu is what? Samyak dhi. Samyak dhi means samyak jnanam, which is attained through what is the pravritti there? Shravanam mananam. Shravana mananam pravritti will give samyak dhi, samyak jnana. Samyak jnanam will give me moksha. That moksha is different from this Hiranyagarbha prapti rupa moksha. So Purvapakshi says there is no such thing. This is the moksha. So stop all your Vedanta study, classes, everything. Anarthika iti ashankya. So abhived iti asya tatparyamaha. So now in mantra it is given so abhived. Before that, see bhashya. Yadidam tushtu shitam karma kanda vihita jnana karma phalam prajapatya lakshanam naiva tat sansara vishayam atikramat iti imam artham pradarshayisyan aha. Yad idam tushtu shitam karma kanda vihita jnana karma phalam. Tushtu shitam in Tika, Anand Giriji has given the shabda. Tushtu shitam stotum abhipretam. Shtu is stuto, dhatu is there. From that, this shabda is created. स्तोतुम अभिप्रेतम तुष्टुषितम इति यावत्. So this is the stuti, this Prajapati stuti is done, that he is so great, etc. This is karma kanda vihita jnana karma phalam. All this is part of karma kanda, in which upasana and karma, highest upasana and highest karma, their phalam is Prajapatya Lakshanam. Somebody says, Naiva tat sansara vishayam atikramat. Somebody says it is not samsara vishayam. Siddhanti says it is not outside of samsara. Naiva tat sansara vishayam atikramat iti imam artham pradarshayishyan aha. It is also within samsara. Third number tippani. Naiva iti nanu ज्ञान कर्मभ्याम आप्त सूत्रत्वात्. This is on previous page, 157. ननु ज्ञान कर्मभ्याम आप्त सूत्रत्वात् अशेष अनर्थ ध्वस्तेः न सौत्रम फलम संसारांतर्गतम इति आशंक्य समादधुः वार्तिके. वार्तिककार is doing समाधानम. Question is, ज्ञान कर्मभ्याम आप्त सूत्रत्वात्, through jnana karma this hiranyagarbha prapti is done. Ashesha anartha dvastehe. All anarthas are, means people think, look at this Prajapati, how, what a wonderful thing. No opposition. Sarva swatantra na sir par koi. Nobody, whatever he wants to do, he does. Right? How wonderful. I also should become Prajapati. And he is never dukhi, always happy. Na sautra phalam samsarantargatam. He is not samsari. He doesn't have any limitations, obligations, paricheda, everything. Iti ashankya. Pratyagyaathatmya vijnana virahadanya sadhanaihi yavat kinchit phalam nadaha sarvanartha nivrittaye. Pratyagyaathatmya vijnana virahat. Unless you get pratyagyaathatmya vijnanam. Anya sadhanaihi yavat kinchit phalam nadaha. Whatever else that you can attain, whatever else is sung, glorified, sarva anartha nivrittaye na adaha. It is not for all anartha nivritti. Adaha is adas shabda. This is not enough. Any phalam. I hope you are following these Vartika shlokas. I am going little faster. Okay. Because otherwise it will end up having all Vartika. It will take much longer. But you know where I am reading. I am reading in the page number 157, Tippani, number 3. Shlokas are given. Nirasthatishayam karma jnananchapyapi balavat yato bibhed davidyavan ato savasmadadivat. Nirasta atishayam karma jnanam cha api cha apya api balavat yato abibhed. He got scared. Prajapati got afraid like a child. Therefore, avidyavan is ignorant. Like asmadadivat. Like us. Nirasta atishayam karma. Sureshwaracharya ji, they don't have, they will just write like this only. There is great Acharya. You will also appreciate some of his things now, that if some of you are studying Naishkarmya Siddhi. नहि अविद्यामनादाय वस्तु याथात्म्य संश्रयात् कश्चित् बिभेत्य बिभेच्च तेना विद्वान् प्रजापतिः। अविद्याम अनादाय वस्तु याथात्म्य संश्रयात् कश्चित् न बिभेति। अबिभेद चेत तेना अविद्वान प्रजापति। अन्वय व्यतिरेक is done. A person will not be afraid unless he has taken avidya. Avidyam anadaya vastu yathatmya samshrayat kaschit na bibheti. Means because he has taken avidya, therefore he is afraid. Two negatives are there. अविद्याम अनादाय कश्चित् न बिभेति, तस्मात् अविद्याम आदाय एव कश्चित् बिभेति। वस्तु याथात्म्य संश्रयात्, if vastu yathatmya is there, then there is no fear. Bibhed, abibhed chet, or if there is abibhecha, if he is afraid, then he is avidwan only. प्रत्यग याथात्म्य विद्यैव निश्शेष पुरुषार्थकृत इति एतत् प्रतिपत्त्यर्थं विराट स्थानस्य सनम। आत्म विद्या means Brahma Vidya alone is the giver of Nishesha Purushartha Krit. For this Pratipatti, Virat Sthanam is Kutsanam. Kutsanam means it is criticized. Virat Sthanam is also Kutsitam. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।